Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Linux on a Chromebook in 2025. The first thing you want to do is navigate over here to the launcher and click on that. And you want to scroll on down until you find your settings. You can also search for settings up here. Click on your settings, and on the left-hand side you see a bunch of options. Scroll on down and find About Chrome OS. You want to click on that and go on down here till you find Linux Development Environment and click Setup. It's going to pop up a wizard that can walk you through this, so you're going to click Next. And then it's going to give you a username. I think that's based off of your email. I would change that now if you want to change it, but of course you can install the Linux development environment, then uninstall it. But if you uninstall it, you lose all your files. So if you want to keep your files set up for a long time, just make sure you pick a username that you like. Also, you have the disk size. They give you a recommended disk size. You can change that at a later date, so long as you have enough disk space available. I'm going to stick with the same username and the recommended disk size and click Install. Now this is going to take a few minutes to go ahead and install, and I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment installs, a terminal will pop up. We can close out our settings at this point. I'm going to maximize the terminal here and just increase the font size. You see at the time of this recording, which is April of 2025, you get this message here. If you want to just not have the message, you can just highlight this and that'll copy it automatically, and then do Control-Shift-V and hit Enter to get rid of that. I'm going to clear out the message here by just typing clear and hitting Enter. Let me make this slightly even larger. And now to update everything, what we want to do is we want to type sudo apt-get update, then 2 ampersands for and then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade. And I'm going to do a -y flag to answer yes to any additional storage. Hit Enter to let that run on through. I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once that runs through, we can clear this out again. So we have the terminal here, and we can pin that. And we can install stuff through the terminal, or you can install .deb files. I have an Intel-based Chromebook, so I would just do the x86-64, the .deb file based for Intel-based Chromebooks. But a lot of programs now have also .deb files for ARM-based Chromebooks. And if you had an ARM-based Chromebook, you would pick that one. But basically, we've accomplished our mission. We've installed Linux, so we're good to go. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.